I think I have to close my door. 1 minute. Okay, let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi. I am a Nigerian based in Istanbul, Turkey. If this is your first time coming to my channel or seeing me or anyhow, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Anyway, today's video, first let me apologize for not posting last week. I'm probably not going to post this Friday, but my laptop got bad, so I had to fix it, and all the videos I pre-filmed are already on my hard drive, so I couldn't edit it without using my laptop. I'm sorry guys. So too much rambling, let me tell you why you are here. So today's video, I'm just going to change my hair color. My hair is, I don't understand why my hair is not green. Like, no, it's not green. Like, this is the slowest my hair has grown, and I think maybe it's because of the bleach, but I feel it's green because I can see the black, but at the same time it's not green. Please, if you have remedy for green bleached hair, please let me know. I want to do something gingerish but not too bright, but shine the ginger world. I want to do something like that, so I'm going to be using this 2 Adele dye. This is the Cajun Spice and this is the cinnamon. These are the 2 hair dyes, and yeah, let's just get into the video. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, comment, all those good stuff. Come on. And I'll see you in my next video.
Give me the light, give me that push, give me the bad man thing, give me that push, give me that thing that'll blow my mind, give me that thing.
When you want to get like a ginger color and your hair is black, I think you need to bleach it first before you achieve that color. If not, it's not going to come out. Because I watched a girl's video today and her hair was black and she used the same hair dye and nothing happened to her hair, the color. So if your hair is not this color, I feel you need to bleach your hair, like apply bleach maybe once, then you get the color that you need. This is semi-permanent dye, so I think you need to bleach your hair. You can't put it on black hair. It's not gonna hold it. Yeah. So yeah, let's get into the video. First off, I'm going to comb my hair and remove any knots that is on the hair. I'm using a white tooth comb first because my hair is dry and I don't want to cry this evening. So I'll start up with my Vaseline. I'm just going to apply that round the perimeter of my hair, like round it so that my skin doesn't get colored. So that's why I'm just going to apply it there. So I have my bowl for doing all my experiments here. So I'll first take the Cajun Spice. Since I want it like a bit ginger-ish, I'm gonna start up with this one, and I don't measure it, I'm sorry, but I'll just be taking like a bit because I don't want to waste my hair dye. Yeah, I'm just going to, you can see the color is already showing like reddish, ginger-ish, something-ish. So I'm going to mix it with the cinnamon. Then I'll take my brush and mix them up together. So this is the quantity I have here. This is how the dye looks like now. And I'm just going to put on my gloves. So yeah, let's get started. Oh Jesus, Oluchi, you're always doing things. Wow.
She's the it girl, the one to know. Out of your dreams, she makes it known. She's A-list, but no one knows what I know, what I know. She'll chew you up and spit you out. She'll take your soul without a doubt. She'll break your heart, cause no one knows what I know, what I know. I know what she has to hide. She will go
This is what I have. I don't like this color. I look so small. But yeah, I'm gonna take this off right now, I think. And as usual, no shower cap, no judging. I'm going to be using my Santana waterproof to tie my hair. Yeah, this is it. So I'm going to leave this for probably like an hour or less. Since my hair is bleached already before, like my hair was white already before I applied it, it's going to pick up the color way faster. So I think I'll just leave it for like an hour or maybe less. The truth is that I'm just going to go and have dinner. Once I'm done, I go to the shower and take it off, shower for my night, and that's it. So the next time you should see me, I should have washed off the hair and probably have a makeup on.